Hi everyone, in this video we will try to see if we can upload photo or videos on TikTok message. So in order for us to do that, go on your App Store or Play Store and check if TikTok needs to be updated, just like this one. So if it needs to be updated, just tap on update, and once it's done, then tap to open your TikTok application. So once the TikTok application is now open, you tap on the inbox that you can see in the bottom part of your phone and choose a random user that you wish to send a photo or video. And as we can see, there's no option yet for you to directly post or send a photo or video. However, we have this share post button that we can share our favorite post or your post from your timeline to that specific user. So since we don't have that one yet, here's what we can do. So you go back to your main page by tapping that plus button, so you can directly send a photo, or if you want to go to your gallery, just tap that gallery button and you can choose any or random photos here. Just don't include the sound if you wish to, or you can also send any video, random video from your phone, and tap next. Then you can set this for this button, so you can set who can watch this video. You can set it with your friends, and if it's good to go, then you can tap post, and then once it will be posted to your timeline, you can now go back to that specific user. Now tap on the share post and then click your post to see your recent uploaded video or photo. And once you see it, just tap on it and that user will be able to view your video or photo sent. Aside from that, you can also send them stickers. So whether video stickers or stickers set trending videos, if you wish to. So that's it for now. If this helps, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.